Hey folks, Dennis Gage here from My Classic Car. You know, the set may look a little different than usual, but that's because I'm down in Texas at Dustless Blasting headquarters with Vice President of Marketing and Sales, Jennifer. Jen, it's so good to see you again. It's been a while.
It has been too long, Dennis. It's great to have you back down here.
It's good to be back. You know, I've been a fan of the Dustless Blasting products for a long, long time, and it can do all sorts of things.
Coming from your kind of neck of the woods, being in the auto restoration world, that's kind of what the whole platform started with. Traditional sandblasting was something that, you know, was just that old dusty method of doing things. You know, introducing this as a brand to get into their shops and introduce water into the sand mix so that they aren't generating so much heat and warping those body panels, and it just comes off so much faster than those old traditional methods.
Yeah, and that was always really the problem. Yeah, sandblasting works, but it can do as much harm as good. Well, I actually got to play with one of these, and it was, I can't believe it, but it was like 10 years ago when y'all brought one of the units up and we blasted my old pickup truck, and it was just, I couldn't believe it. I mean, it was like taking a chalkboard eraser and just, you know, wipe, and it was just gone.
It's like one of those things, until you see it and hold it in your hand, you just really can't believe it's as effective and efficient as it is.
And then when you do, you go, man.
Yeah.
Well, and it's great to talk about it, but you know, it's so much better to actually see it. And we're here. I gotta believe you got some of these things hanging around.
I think we might have something for you.
Can we go do something?
Absolutely. I say we take it outside.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Can you believe it? This is just amazing. Look how fast it took that off. Get over to dustlessblasting.com to check them out.